Erase henna. Uncover the power of rubbing alcohol.
Hello, and welcome to our latest how-to video. Today, we'll unravel the mystery behind how rubbing alcohol can help in removing henna stains. So, if you've been struggling to get rid of those persistent stains, you've landed on the right video.
What is henna?
Henna is a type of dye, made from a plant, that people commonly use to create beautiful, intricate designs on their skin. These designs can last up to 3 weeks, but sometimes, you might need or want to remove them sooner. That's where rubbing alcohol comes into the picture.
What role does rubbing alcohol play?
Rubbing alcohol, also known as isopropyl alcohol, is a powerful solvent. This means it can dissolve other substances, including henna dye. When applied to the henna stain, the alcohol breaks down the henna molecules, causing the stain to fade.
How to use rubbing alcohol to remove henna?
Firstly, ensure you have 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol for this task. 1. Start by pouring some rubbing alcohol onto a cotton ball or cloth. 2. Gently rub the stained area with the alcohol-soaked cotton ball. Ensure not to rub too hard as it might irritate the skin. 3. Leave the alcohol on your skin for a couple of minutes. 4. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Keep in mind that you might need to repeat this process multiple times to completely remove the stain. Also, don't forget to apply a moisturizer after each session, as rubbing alcohol can dry out your skin.
Are there any risks?
While rubbing alcohol is effective at removing henna stains, it can be harsh on the skin. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying it to a larger area to make sure you don't have a bad reaction. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, stop using the rubbing alcohol immediately. And that's how rubbing alcohol can help in removing henna stains. I hope you found this video helpful. Just remember, it's important to use rubbing alcohol with caution and always prioritize your skin health. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.